What is that, Jude? Indominus Rex, and what type of other legs?
These legs.
Oh my.
These are just
This is like Jurassic World when you make your own dino DNA. What do you call this one, Porter?
I don't know. Both of these names are climber dines. That he climbs and he climbs. That he has legs. And I only fly. And then it's got magnetic diamonds. And then she put magnets on all her makeup.
It's pretty cool.
I have more.
Do you have more Legos or more dinosaurs?
Yes. It's the same size. I don't want to break this leg. It's like that. Yeah, you can do them all. I almost have all of them.
Really?
Yes.
Here, put that on the mask on one of the raptors.
I bring Echo.
This is Echo. And what was his name? Oh, Grady?
No.
What's his
that
name?
What the girl called him.
What's his name? I forgot to.
I walk by and see myself. You're so pretty.
Dun, dun.
Beauty in this now, but it's me getting married. That's what he said to me for years, and I look back at pictures 10 years ago. It's so cute.
So cool.
But
Dino DNA. A Tyrannosaurus Rex. Pterodactyl Rex. Tyrannosaurus Rex.
Yes.
well, have you guys heard of?
No Dominus Rex yet. Owen.
Owen. Yes, it's Owen and Delta.
Primer that you put on your face
Oh.
before you put your makeup on. It takes away all of this.
And which one's this, Jude?
Dominus Rex. And the girl calls him Mr. Grady.
Yeah, the girl does call him Mr. Grady.
That's why I thought Heather gave.
Oh, the top comes off so you can get inside?
And see inside.
Okay, lift up the top, Jude. Ooh, there's some computers in there. Did you put the stickers on, Jude, Porter?
Yes.
Nice work, bud. There's a window to look through.
You know what though? I mean, everything I've ever used.
What's this truck supposed to be called?
A glass.
Christmas Legos. Gotta love it.
Well, you know what?
I could see.
I thought me, and it's not a really expensive.
Dominus Rex.
I think exfoliators are huge. And I haven't found a machine thing. No, like the master.
This goes in here.
And I
Right, Porter?
have a one that I got.
Owen's motorcycle. I like Owen.
You like Owen?
Yes.
He is pretty BA.
White. That's what I want that on. I was gonna bring
Does
all
this shoot?
of them.
Do you supposed to put something in there and shoot it?
I'm supposed to put in here.
And it shoots out?
Push on the back. I was gonna bring all of them.
That is cute.
I was gonna bring all of them, but I need 2 more, and then I have. You didn't do this.
You have almost all the Jurassic World Lego sets. What's this, Jude?
No.
Pterodactyl?
Pterodactyl.
Pterodactyl.
The big dinosaur.
Wait, what?
Dominus Rex, a bit bigger.
They have a giant Indominus Rex?
Yes, bigger than that one. I've seen on